So we had our initial rollout, and the rods were fantastic. They were great, but we're always looking for ways to improve. You know, after some field testing and not just wanting to settle on throwing something out there and being done with a project. We wanted to keep refining it and keep crafting it. So Beau and I had a phone conversation about how can we fine tune this already beautiful instrument and make it perfect. And we came out with tightening the guide train. We wanted to tighten the guide train to focus the line and just get a better cast, get a more efficient cast, and we did that. So we went from, for example, from size 6 running guides down to size 5. We also increased the length of the cork so that it would have a better, just perfect feel, in your hand when you're using the rod. And we decreased the foregrip as well. And that just came together and to just a beautiful instrument that we couldn't be more proud of.
So, I remember when I saw the first one start to roll out, and I was blown away. Eric did an unbelievable job with that red, white, and blue color scheme. But what was most important is that he really built it to what I believe we both envisioned. The color scheme was great. It was so classically designed. The guides that he chose, were the embodiment of long-term durability. Because let's face it, if you've got a fishing rod with guides that have inserts, at some point in time you're going to knock them out. So we really put a lot of thought into what components that were going into this rod. Trying to make sure that we could keep it at that $199 price point, yet still offer a totally viable product for anybody that picked it up. Basically, we wanted a rod that anybody would pick up would be impressed with. Yeah, after the refinements, I really, truly believe that we achieved what we set out to do. We built a very special rod for very special people, built by very special people. It's hard to accomplish that, but I believe we did.